If you've ever said that you can't apply false lashes, this video is for you. All you need are the Ardell Seamless Underlash Extensions. Make sure they're the ones that go under your lashes and not over. The bond and seal that comes with it, lash tweezers, and then a good mascara. What you're gonna start off doing is first curling your lashes, making sure that you don't have any mascara on there. So do that lash, and this lash. And then once you're done curling your lashes, do not put any mascara on. What you're gonna do first is use the bond side. It literally looks like a mascara applicator. And I like to work in sections. So I do the outer ends on this side and the outer ends on this side, just so you don't mix anything up. You just wanna put a little bit at the ends and just work your way out. You don't need a lot. And a helpful tip is literally just looking at your lashes, seeing where you're kind of the most sparse and adding the lashes there, because you are gonna go in with the mascara afterwards. You're gonna take your tweezers, and I always like to do more dramatic lashes on the outer end, but I don't like to do crazy dramatic lashes. So I don't go at the very bottom, I kind of go in the middle right here. And let's pick up this one. It's from the 4th row up. Then you take your lash, you pinch it on the outside, and all you do is hold it at the very end, look up, literally just place it. That's all you have to do. And then you take your tweezers, you just press together your lashes with the falsies. You can already see the difference between this side and this side. Now we're gonna do the other side and follow the same pattern just so they're not uneven. So take the bond. I like to match each side. So the same row, I'm gonna go ahead and grab one. Once again, just turn it, grab it by the end. Look, kind of spread open your eyes and then come from underneath. I always like to put my arm up like this and just twist. Another helpful hint, if it ever gets stuck, just put your finger here while you lift the tweezers off. Squeeze it together. I don't like to stay right next to each other just because you still want it to look natural. So do the outer ends, go a little bit towards the center, skip a few, and put the bond there. I always just end up kind of using about 3 lashes per side. And then I like to go up a row with a smaller size, and you just want to work your way in from larger to smaller. Take the ends, line it up, and see how that kind of just stuck to the tweezers? That's okay. You can line it up, put your finger here, and let go. Then always just take your finger or a napkin, wipe off the glue, and squeeze it together. I'm gonna do the other side. And now for the inner corners, same thing. Just take a little bit of bond. Don't go completely towards the inner. Keep a little bit of space because you want it to look natural. I always like to take the very top row. All right, once you're done applying the lashes, you take the seal side, just where you put the lashes, so it locks it in. And last step is just going in with your mascara and not applying it directly over the lashes, it's the in-between areas. So look where you didn't apply it. For example, I didn't apply it to the corner lash, just applied some there. Same thing on this end, and then your bottom lashes. And that's it, those are the lashes, and it gets easier every time you do it.